When it comes to making a home smarter and more energy efficient, smart thermostats are among the best investments. Tado has been a big name in this space, promising advanced heating control, geofencing, and energy savings. But does it live up to the hype? I've been using Tado's smart thermostat, testing its features, usability, and overall value, and I'm sharing my honest experience. Setting up Tado was straightforward, but not without a few hiccups. The installation process involves replacing your existing thermostat and pairing the device with the Tado app. The app guides you through the setup, and while the instructions are clear, users with non-standard heating systems might face some challenges. The app does a decent job detecting the system and providing compatibility options, but some users might need professional installation, especially if they have complex multi-zone heating sets. Once installed, Tado's key selling point is its ability to adjust heating based on your location using geofencing. This means your home starts warming up as you approach and lowers the temperature when you leave. In theory, this should lead to energy savings. In practice, geofencing can be a bit hit or miss. Sometimes the system responds instantly, while at other times, there's a noticeable delay. The app's scheduling feature, however, is robust. You can customize heating patterns throughout the day, ensuring you're only using energy when necessary. One of Tado's major downsides is its subscription model. While you can use the basic features for free, advanced automation tools like open window detection and energy savings reports are locked behind a paywall. This isn't ideal, especially when competitors like Nest and Ecobee offer similar features without extra costs. The additional subscription, called Tado Auto Assist, costs a few dollars per month, which might add up over time. For users who want full automation, this is an extra expense to consider. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiftMeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. In terms of performance, Tado does a good job of maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature. The app provides room-by-room temperature readings and allows manual adjustments, which is great for precision control. The smart radiator valves, if you choose to add them, enhance this functionality by letting you control different rooms individually. However, these add-ons increase the overall cost. Another useful feature is Tado's weather adaptation, where the thermostat adjusts heating based on real-time weather conditions. This can help reduce unnecessary heating on sunny days. However, in my experience, the impact wasn't as noticeable as advertised. The system tends to be conservative with adjustments, which is probably a good thing, as drastic changes in heating can be uncomfortable. One area where Tado truly excels is energy reports. The app provides insights into your heating usage, how much you saved, and areas where you could optimize further. While these reports are useful, they're only available in full with a paid Auto Assist subscription, which again feels like an unnecessary upsell. Compatibility-wise, Tado works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, making it easy to integrate into a smart home setup. Voice commands work well for adjusting temperatures, but some features, like turning on heating based on routines, require a bit of extra configuration. If you're heavily invested in smart home automation, Tado fits well, but it's not the most seamless option on the market. So, is Tado worth it? If you're looking for an energy-efficient way to manage your home heating, and don't mind paying extra for premium features, it's a solid choice. The geofencing, smart scheduling, and detailed energy insights are genuinely helpful. However, if you prefer a one-time purchase without ongoing costs, other brands might offer better value. Let me know what you think about Tado in the comments. Have you used it, or are you considering buying it? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest smart home reviews.